In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can play Minecraft split screen local co-op here on your Xbox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Go ahead and start from the main menu and you need to go ahead and select play, and from here you can either create a new world or load into an existing one. Let's go ahead and do this existing skyblock one right here, but go ahead and open this up. And if you're only planning on playing multiplayer locally, you can go ahead and just make sure multiplayer is turned off or it can be on. If you're trying to adjust your multiplayer settings, essentially just go into your settings, go to this multiplayer tab before you even load into the game and just take multiplayer game off or on, depending on how you would like. Now, once you're in the world, you just need to turn on a secondary controller, press the sync button on the controller, and then press the pairing button on your Xbox to connect it. If it doesn't connect wirelessly, you can actually plug the controller into your Xbox using a USB-C cable, and then press the Xbox button to link it. But once signed in, the second player is going to join the game automatically, just like so. It really is super simple. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.